Hi, I'm Alina. Today I gave a talk on how to do your personal branding through new media and technology. It's just one example of how coding can help you to become independent and increase your income. If you want to be valuable in this new high-tech economy, you need to speak the language.
So basically everyone who has a WeChat account, they're publishing and managing their account through this page.
There's plenty of job opportunities as a data analyst, as a communication manager like myself.
Because when you reach a certain level of design, you wish you can actually build something by yourself.
对我来说，这是一个很特别的一个社区。
One of the things that I learned is that as women, we need to just transcend the boundaries that are built around us right now. So things like technology is not for just others, we too can go into it. So that's really, really important skill that I learned today.